Okay, so that was how to do an invoice, and so really here you can. That's all you really need is that first button, customer sale, because quick sale you can just pick a customer and a return. I'll show you how we do that in the invoice. But now let's look at the create orders and layaways and all that stuff. So if you create a quote, that's when a customer comes in and says, "Man, I'm thinking about painting my car or painting my house. I need to know how much it's going to cost." And so we treat it just like an invoice. And so if they're not in the system, we would say, okay, add. If you haven't been here before, we would say Slidell shop or retail customer and get their number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put them in there. So there's all the information. So we put them in, and already some of the spots here have been filled because it's a retail customer. So we would just say, miscellaneous. Come on. 2 to 1, I believe. Look up the part number though. I don't know. So alright, so we got miscellaneous, so we're filling the blanks here. And they populate the phone number from up here. It assign its own account number there. And we got some new stuff like find address. And so we got shipping address. It'll set that up as it'll copy it. And so you have options for the print statements if we're going to do that, email statements, so on, include invoices for statements, got some little check marks. And you got information if you want to put in, but we really just use the email addresses. We're starting to use that, cell phone number. And I have allow text messaging, so if you have a phone number in this, so it's 985 455 1224. So there we go, allow to email addresses, so we got 123 at gmail.com. And say okay. And they'll populate right here. And so we say select. So then we go into, we like to do that so we can keep history in the customer. If he comes back, we can look up his quote, all that stuff. So again, we're going to do, see, this comes up, because it says C200 is the same part number for both of these as an alternate. So these are the primary, and we'll pick the 5-liter size. And the hardware it needs comes up. And mixing ratio is already attached to that invoice, to that inventory record. So let's say if I want to make it a return, I just say Control R and make it a return. So it makes it very easy for us, Control R. So I don't really have to have a return key. You just do it right here. And I can flip it back. It means I can reverse it, so I can reverse it right back to what it is. And, so here we got some options. I use that a lot. We use a discount. We use show cost. And it actually shows our cost. It shows margins or markup right here, except for markup, but we normally like it where it says margin. And you can turn that off. And we have discount here, so you can do an amount, a percentage, or a global discount. You can cancel that. Just quantity is not necessary because we can just go up to hit enter and say 2. Change that. We can say Control arrow, move it down. Control up arrow, move it back up. We can delete stuff off the ticket, so if I say BS12, and I don't change my mind, I say delete it off, very easy. But at the same time, when I punch in a number like that, let's say BS12, it's coming across and it's populating the description, part number, everything according to the customer's record, which is cash sale, which is level price 1. And so on, it's updating. Move this up, it's updating the total down here at the bottom, so we always know what's going on. And here it's telling us if we have in stock quantity, if it says back order, it'll say 0, or it'll say we're out of it, and it'll say you have 2 in back order. So, and then we got 18, got the numbers you can put on there. So it gives us two options for G18. One is a little pack, one's a big pack. So we're going to see a big one.
Do we have deliveries on either run?
Excuse me. And so this is the quote, so we'll say save, the quote under the customer's name, and we can print them out. And this says internal, which will show our costs, or our customer, which won't show the cost. Sometimes we want to see a cost for ourselves. So here we go. It looks like this. Comes across like that. So it's got the information, it's got the customer's name, information of products, and yes, it is taxable. And it's got a place for us to put notes down here at the bottom. And all the tax stuff. Okay, so that's quote, and that's saving it under the customer.